Hi, this is Dr. Vivek, and in this video I will share with you very simple tips how to increase your hemoglobin levels just at home by using the Ayurvedic methods, the herbal methods, without using any of the chemicals, which is going to affect on the root of the problem, not just increasing the hemoglobin. We have to treat it from the root so that in the future you will not have these kinds of problems. So my first recommendation is about use of lemon or amla. Amla is Indian gooseberry, any stuff that is high in vitamin C. To have good levels of hemoglobin, to have good levels of iron, you have to add little bit of any kinds of stuff that is rich in vitamin C so that the iron is absorbed and our body gets it in good quantity so that the levels are normal. So if you want to have good levels of hemoglobin, just put 1 teaspoon or as you are comfortable amount of lime or lemon juice in your food and eat it. This will help you in the natural way and for all of your life without using chemicals. Second recommendation is you have to eat frequently, means after 2-3 hours. You don't have to do intermittent fasting at the daytime. At night, well and good, but in the daytime, don't do it. You have to eat every 3 hours. Why? Because if you will be empty stomach for long period of time, your iron levels are going to drop. We don't want this because if any person is having low level of hemoglobin or iron, then why to drop it more? Yes, intermittent fasting, do it at night. In daytime, I will say to avoid this. Third recommendation is stop using laxatives. Why? First of all, laxatives are going to destroy the flora of your gut. They are going to decrease or remove all the good bacteria also from your gut. So it's better to avoid laxatives. If you want, use the herbal laxatives, and that also not continuously. Why? Because even using the herbal, the Ayurvedic laxative for a long period of time, it will be a habit for your body. For example, I love Triphala. I love Triphala. I have used a lot in my practice. I prescribe it to almost my 70-80% of patients. But in that case also, I say to use maximum for 2 months. Why? Because Triphala gives little bit of laxative effects. And what will happen if we are getting this help from outside, from herb or chemicals, our body gets adapted to it. And then body becomes lazy and don't want to work. So what will happen? If you want to feel good, if you want your stomach to be clean, your body will signal you or force you to eat those herbal powders or churnas. There are lots of kayam churna, many stuff in the market to use it, and it will be habit for all of your life. That's not good. If someone is feeling not so good, if someone is feeling heaviness, yes, you can use Triphala 1 day, 2 days in this way and then shift back to your normal food. Papaya is good laxative. Pears, peaches, all the fruits, they help you in clearing your bowel. Any kind of roughage will help you. But you have to drink lots of water also if you are using roughage. So in this way, clean your stomach, stop using laxatives, because if you use laxatives, then this will hinder your metabolism. And if you will not have good metabolism, good ferments, good bacteria in your gut, then it will be hard for your body to make the hemoglobin, the iron, and this in turn will cause in the depletion of the iron and the hemoglobin level, which we don't want. One more tip which I would like to share with you is use the pulses. Especially if you are vegetarian, then pulses will be a good source of protein to you, and better to sprout them and then use pulses. Why? Because sprouting will little bit increase the level of protein in them, and in this way you will be getting the plant protein, and this can fill up your protein requirement. So just doing these small things can build up a good level of iron and hemoglobin in your body without using any of the medicines or the chemicals. So diet in itself is treatment. I hope these information will be helpful for you or your near ones. Smile more, stay happy, stay healthy.